Hi, I'm Stephanie from the Manlius Library, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make sun catchers using translucent pony beads. This project you can use the pie tin that came with your kit or try other shapes such as a muffin tin or a different sized pie plate, and you can even use cookie cutters.
Okay.
First, arrange the beads in whatever container you're using and make sure that it's in one layer. I had to remove a few extra beads that were on top of other beads. You can experiment making different color patterns or with how the beads are laying in the pan. I used my electric grill for this project. However, you can also use a toaster oven that you can plug in outside or your kitchen oven. It's a good idea to make sure you're in a well-ventilated area when melting the plastic beads. Bring your grill or oven up to 400 degrees. Bake the beads for about 10 minutes until they are completely melted. Let the sun catcher cool completely. I placed mine under a bowl and left it outside overnight. It should easily come out of the pan. Finally, you can drill a small hole so that you can hang it up and enjoy. I hope you have fun making this craft. Did you try experimenting and making different shapes? Let us know in the comments.